want to talk to you about performance. And in particular, I want to talk about NAS performance. And ultimately, I guess I want to talk about scale-out NAS performance and Isilon's clustered storage solution. So let's start by talking about the differences between block and NAS. There's a lot of understanding out there, a lot of historical information that we all base our assumptions on about what's good to use, or what applications use on block storage, what applications use on NAS or file server storage. And I'm here to tell you the world's changed a little bit, and I want to make sure that you understand the changes that have gone on so that you can break free of being tied to your SAN for solutions that in fact would be easier and better managed over on a NAS solution. So in the past we would have looked at block-oriented storage, which today would be typified in a SAN as being the only place where you can go if you want high IOPS, or real fast file IOs. If you want reliable disk drives, you have to be buying fiber channel disk drives. If you want reliability in the system as a whole, you have to be buying from one of the big vendors of block-oriented storage. These things have changed a lot. In fact, in the new world of NAS, where we have scale-out solutions, we have performance that meets or exceeds most of the basic SAN solutions that are out there today, the ones that you would buy from any of the premier vendors. And you get along with that the simplicity of a NAS appliance. This very easy to install, very easy to manage environment. So we need to go back and look at it. Can we do IOs? Can we do a lot of IOs? And in fact, you can. These systems bring with them a lot of cache. Each node in a clustered storage will bring cache. In the Isilon solution, that cache is unified into one big cache. You're not limited to 16, 24, 64 gigabytes of cache. Every node with it will bring up to 32 gigs in each cache. And that collectively looks like one big environment. That's a big deal. We also bring lots of disk drives to the equation, and they're based on either low performance, low cost SATA drives or high performance SAS drives. So you can get high performance, and we lay the data out consistently and continually across all these disks. So you get more and more performance as you add storage and as you add nodes into the system. So you can in fact get a lot of performance out of a NAS box if in fact it's got a consistent architecture like the Isilon scale-out box today. So that's performance on the IOs. Streaming performance is a big deal. Good read-aheads, lots of cache, another big part of what goes on in these environments. You can get that out of our box, no problem at all. In fact, we're big in the media and entertainment because of those capabilities. Concurrent access, lots of users banging away at this file server. How do you get that? Again, lots of CPUs, lots of cache, and laying your data out on these disks in a way that takes advantage of all of the disks that are in the system. Instead of filling from the bottom up, we will use all the disk drives in the system by relaying out the data at regular intervals. So there's ways to get performance out of these scale-out NAS boxes. It's changed over the last couple of years. You need to reinvestigate, put away and put aside all beliefs about what should be block and what should be NAS, and take a look again. I hope that helps understand a few things and intrigues you enough to give us a call. Call your local sales guy, call 100 number at Isilon, and get up to date on what we can do with scale-out NAS. Thanks. Have a great day.